Hey everybody, we're here at Bobby's Hobbies and we're taking a look at our progress on converting a Tyco GG-1 into, which is in Amtrak colors, eventually be put back into a Pennsylvania color scheme, making a P5a Modified, which was a predecessor locomotive electric to the GG-1. Now, the wheel arrangement only crudely mimics the original. It did have three main driving wheels on each side, or three main driving axles. In this model, they are freewheeling. The wheels are probably too small, they're too close together. Plus, this has, uh, three axles on each leading truck, although one of them actually has a dummy center axle, so it only has 10-wheel drive. So it's a hodgepodge, but I'm trying to see, the potential to convert it. Doesn't have pantographs on there, it'd have to be added, has to be repainted like a New Brunswick green, put gold Penzi lettering and couplers. That being said, let's see if she'll run. She's got 10-wheel drive, three axles on one nose and two in the other. And when I said, oh, I'm just gonna, switch the axle in from another one, well, guess what? It didn't work because they must have been manufactured at a different time and the axle diameters are different. It's only got one light in there. But you know what? Again, you can't expect it to run like a newer. See, now one motor is like stalling. You can't expect it to run. It's funny, it only did this now when I put the camera on. You can't expect it to run as well as a modern Cato or an Atlas. It's not made that well. But when it's in Penzi colors, it'll give the illusion. Now, why am I not running around the track? Because it won't make it. And that's because it needs very clean track. So, it's not bad though, it's interesting. Now that's strange, just died there. See, the wheels need to be really clean. Every time it dies, though, I'm thinking these pancake motors, man, is burned out. Now, let's just see how far it goes. We'll send it. It's going to die somewhere about 3 feet past the bridge. Yep. All right. Yeah, it's not going to make it around. Hey, anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and thank you again, and bye for now from Bobby's Hobbies.